Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an audio demo of the Traynor YBA300 all-tube bass amplifier head. And the way I'm going to do that, like I have in previous videos, is using my SM57 clone microphone and also the XLR DI out post EQ back to my USB mixer, which will be directly interfaced to the camera. We're going to blend those two signals together, and hopefully we'll get a good idea of what this amplifier sounds like. And for simplicity purposes, I'm just going to be sticking with my one bass. This is my P&J Ultra Fender from American Made. And I'll probably just be more focusing on the P tone since that's the most commonly recorded tone. But I will probably use both of these pickups at one point during the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just going to get right to it. And let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, a quick update. So I made a mistake, actually kind of a happy serendipitous mistake, because it actually sounds really good from my ears on the headphones there. But what was happening was I was actually using the pre-EQ DI out signal instead of the post-EQ, mixing that with the cab microphone there. And this is my setup. The gain was set at about 4, and for obvious issues, I was never going past up here because this damn thing is very loud. But the modest EQ that I have here, I think the frequency mid-range or mid-shift is at 2 kilohertz roughly. But when I hear that through the post-EQ DI out, it's clean, it's clear, but it's a bit bright for my needs. And when I mix the two together, it sounded a little too bright and thin. Now when I mix the pre-EQ with the microphone cab, I'm mostly getting just the sound of the cabinet. That sounds incredible. What I'm going to quickly do next is just let you listen to the DI out post EQ by itself, and you're going to understand why I think that it's a lot better getting the pre-EQ and mixing with a cab microphone here, because even with that EQ, hearing that directly, you're going to find that it's a little too bright for most situations. But then again, it's not my thing, but it could be yours. So here it is. Check it out. Alright guys, well I'm going to end the video here, and hopefully in that last segment you get an idea of what the pre and the post EQ. I did not have the cabinet mic for that one particular clip, one because it's kind of late in the evening as I'm finishing up this video and I don't want to piss off my wife or the neighbors at this time of night. But if there's any questions on this amplifier, please let me know. I am really happy to own it, and this has definitely been a lot of fun. And until the next video, thanks so much for supporting and watching the channel. I'll see you guys next time.